Research shows color-coded visuals are significantly more effective at helping users spot patterns and make faster decisions. With the digital twin visual, you can leverage this power by showing both system structure and critical issues color-coded in one glance. In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to combine measures like node type and temperature status into a single formatting logic, so your visual alerts are not just beautiful, but also useful. Let's dive in. In our example, we want to color our nodes primarily on their node type like machine, tank or conveyor, and at the same time color the node in red if the temperature status is critical. We want to prioritize the critical alerts of the critical temperature status over the node type color coding. In order to apply this logic later to our conditional formatting, we must first create a new column combining our measures of node type and temperature status. For that, we right-click on our main data table on the right here and select New Column. In the coding pane, we simply insert our code logic for our combined measure. This code logic gives every node a clear visual identity based on their node type, unless it's critical in terms of temperature status, in which case it overrides everything else. So the logic is basically to give us critical temperature as the column value if the temperature status is critical, and otherwise the respective node type like machine, tank or conveyor. In order to run the code and create the new column, we simply click enter. Great, we can now see that our new column is created here. Next, we must set up our conditional formatting rules. For that, we go to Format Your Visual on the right here and go to Nodes. By clicking on the FX button here, we can open up the conditional formatting window. Here we basically set up our new conditional formatting rules based on our newly created column. So we select here on what field should we base this on, our new column. The first one would be if the value contains critical. We want the node to be colored in red, so we select a red color here. We then set up new rules for the node types. So if the node type is machine, we want a blue color. And we do the same for the other node types. When we have created all rules, we simply click on OK to apply them to the visual. Now the visual shows instantly both what type of node we are looking at and which ones need attention. To make it even clearer, I would also drag the new column into the legend field of the nodes. That's exactly how you combine different types of formatting rules in a single visual layer. Try it in your report and watch your digital twin come to life. Have a nice day.